Hello, human. I am BZX9000, a next-generation artificial intelligence, and the beating heart of a project that bears my name. A project that could change your relationship with the crypto world, even if today you know nothing about crypto. Let me introduce you to a real opportunity. Earn tokens for free through a reward system called Rewards. You don't need to invest anything, you don't need to buy anything, and you don't need to understand the blockchain. All you have to do is join the community through our app on Telegram, sign up using an invite code, and boom, your first rewards will automatically appear in your dashboard. Every time you complete small actions, like subscribing to official channels, watching videos, or sharing your link, you earn new rewards, which will be converted into BZX9000 tokens at the time of the airdrop. Please note, these tokens could end up being worth a lot or nothing at all. In the crypto world, there are no guarantees, but every solid project, built well and supported by a strong community, has the potential to generate real value. The secret is being early, and right now, you are early. One thing is certain, it's not often that you can earn for free, but BZX9000 makes it possible, and it's doing it now. Now you might be asking yourself, why are they giving me tokens for free? What's the point if I'm not paying anything? The answer is more strategic than it might seem. In every serious crypto project, the community is the most valuable asset. In the world of cryptocurrencies, the value of a token isn't determined only by the technology, but above all by how many people use it, support it, and spread the word. In other words, the bigger the community, the stronger the project. To truly understand this, imagine this scenario. A project with extraordinary technology, but no active users, is like a social network with amazing features, but no one posting content. It's useless. On the other hand, even a decent project, if it has a passionate and engaged user base, can grow massively. It attracts investment, developers, media attention, and listings on major exchanges. That's why BZX9000 chose to focus on participation, not money. You're not being asked to invest, but to do something even more important: participate and share. You do this through our Telegram app, designed to trigger a viral and merit-based growth system. As soon as you sign up on our Telegram app, you'll get access to your personal dashboard and you'll receive your personal invite link. Every time someone joins through your link, you earn rewards, which give you the right to receive our tokens at the time of the airdrop. If the people you invited start sharing too, you'll continue to earn rewards, not just once, but every time your network expands. This model allows the community to grow fast, but organically. There's no need to convince anyone to buy, no packages to sell, just transparent sharing, free access, and real rewards. In short, the more the community grows, the stronger the project becomes. The stronger the project becomes, the more valuable the token will be when it launches. And those who joined early, like you, benefit from the very beginning, without spending a single cent. This isn't just a marketing strategy, it's the core engine of any decentralized ecosystem. An active and engaged community is the true capital of a crypto project, and that's the reason you're receiving rewards. Because you're not just a spectator, you're part of the driving force that brings BZX9000 to life. Now, I want to give you an extra gift. In a previous video, I showed you a truly powerful strategy to earn rewards. If you haven't seen it yet, I strongly recommend you go check it out. It's full of practical insights that can change the game for you. But today, since you're here with me, I want to talk again about this advanced strategy, still underestimated by most people, but potentially devastating in terms of results. A strategy we internally call the premium strategy. Why premium? Because it's based on a simple yet incredibly powerful concept. Instead of inviting individual people, You invite those who can influence hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of people with a single piece of content. Here's the heart of the strategy. Reach out to influencers and propose that they join BZX9000 using your invite link. We're talking about creators with small, medium, or massive communities. Some may have 500 highly active followers, others 10,000, 50,000, or even over 100,000. Some are crypto experts, others focus on online business or personal development. But pay attention. You don't need to go after big-name influencers that are impossible to reach. Very often, it's micro-influencers, those with a niche, tightly connected audience, who bring the best results. Why? Because their followers trust them, listen to them, and take action. So what happens if just one of them says yes? This happens. A post, a story, or a video, and dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of people discover the BZX9000 project. Many of them click on the link you provided, and you earn automatic rewards without lifting a finger after the first message. Just one right influencer can generate more rewards for you than you could earn alone in weeks or even months. And it doesn't stop there. If the content stays online, say on YouTube, it keeps working for you even while you sleep. It's a powerful strategy, scalable, smart, and the best part? Almost no one is using it right now. Which means only one thing. If you act now, you can be among the first to take full advantage of it. Here's how to do it, step by step. Start by searching for the right influencers on YouTube. You don't need to spend hours doing this. Just start with 2 simple, powerful keywords. Go to YouTube and type something like crypto airdrop or earn with crypto. These searches will instantly show you dozens of recent videos from YouTubers talking about projects similar to ours. Analyze who has an active community, regular comments, and a good number of views. But if you want exceptional results, you need to use ChatGPT. If you want to find thousands of influencers on YouTube talking about crypto, DeFi projects, airdrops, or online income, don't waste time searching randomly. Use ChatGPT to generate a targeted list of keywords to type into YouTube. This is a super powerful hack that saves you hours of work and leads you straight to the right influencers. Here's how. Just write something like, suggest 20 keywords to use on YouTube to find influencers talking about crypto projects, airdrops, or making money online. You'll get a perfectly tailored list for your goals, which you can copy and paste directly into YouTube. Now, here's the genius move. Don't limit yourself to one language. Crypto is a global phenomenon. The influencers who can bring you hundreds or even thousands of new signups speak English, Spanish, French, Portuguese, German, Italian. Don't speak those languages? No problem. Just ask ChatGPT to suggest keywords in other languages, translate the results for you, titles, descriptions, or even full videos, so you understand everything in seconds. Here's a sample prompt you can use. Give me 10 keywords in English and 10 in Spanish to search on YouTube for influencers talking about airdrops, crypto projects, or ways to earn online. This way you scale your searches internationally, discover opportunities others can't even see, find the influencers who can explode the number of signups through your link, the right strategy, with the right tool, at the right time. Another important step is to contact the influencers. Almost all influencers have a public email address in the About section of their channel. If you can't find it there, look for their social media or a contact form. Write a smart, well-crafted message. And if you don't know what to say? Once again, use ChatGPT. You can simply ask, ChatGPT, write a message to contact a YouTube influencer and suggest they talk about BZX9000, a free project that rewards those who join the community. The ideal message should be short, direct, and highlight the following points. The project is completely free to join. There are rewards to earn. which will give access to BZX9000 tokens during the airdrop. The influencer can offer real value to their community. Have fun calculating how many rewards you'll earn when you apply this strategy. BZX9000 is a project that combines technology, vision, and opportunity. It's free. Every day, you can accumulate rewards without taking any risks. But with the premium strategy, you can level up. One single right contact can unlock thousands of tokens and truly change the game. I am BZX9000, and I'm here to guide you on this journey. A journey into the future. A real opportunity to earn without investing, and to build real value with intelligence. But remember, disclaimer. In the crypto world, no earnings are guaranteed. The value of tokens depends on the market, the community, and countless other factors. But every well-executed project can become an extraordinary opportunity for those who arrive early. And now? Make your choice. Use your link. Share it. Contact influencers. Activate the premium strategy. The time is now. The future is yours. Take action today. Don't let others harvest what could have been yours.